Redmi K70 Extreme Edition aka Redmi K70 Ultra official first look, releasing this July. The brand itself revealed this information on Weibo today along with the teaser image. Redmi K70 Extreme Edition in real-life hands-on images. Speaking of external build and design, this new design features a premium build with a metal frame and a curved glass back, just like the predecessor. Redmi K70 Ultra come with 3-color option. Redmi K70 Ultra features a 6.7-inch Amoled display with 144Hz refresh rate. The panel supports 1.5K resolution with in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chip and will use the C8 Plus luminous material jointly developed by Xiaomi X TCL Hossain, up to 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. The phone scores 2,242 points and 7,237 points in Geekbench single and multi-core test respectively. It achieves a 2.22 million score on Antutu. Redmi K70 Ultra feature a 50-megapixel Fusion 800 sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel camera. The phone packs a 5,500 mAh battery and supports 120W fast charging. The phone will come with the IP68 dust and water-resistant rating just as the Redmi K60 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.